But George, Kim Ledbetter was actually had to have police protection during the campaign. Many are saying because of your campaigners.
So did I have to have police protection. I'm not blaming that on any of the other candidates.
Were there threats against you, George?
Not credibly be blamed on me.
George, were there threats against you?
Not only threats against me, Dan, it managed to evade the entire British press. That people were photoshopping pictures of me with my children holding automatic weapons and circulating them all over social media. Everybody in Batley and Spen has seen a picture of me holding a weapon, except I've never held a weapon. I was myself the victim of dirty tricks, not the perpetrator of them. I had police protection. Why do you think I'm wearing a hat, Dan? I was a victim of political violence. I could show you my scars, but it would put you off your tea. So I'm the last person to be in any way sanguine about anyone being subjected, even to haranguing, which is what happened on that occasion.